I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed by choices when shopping for a telescope. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a beginner or just want a reliable telescope for stargazing, I'm here to help guide you through the top 5 telescopes that can elevate your experience of viewing planets and celestial wonders.
Product number 1. Glyskyer Telescope, 70mm aperture. When I first unboxed the Glyskyer telescope, I was struck by its compact design and the ease of setup. The 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length immediately caught my eye. The fully coated optics glass lens promised stunning images, and I was eager to put it to the test. With 2 replaceable eyepieces and a 3x Barlow lens, I was excited to explore the night sky. As a beginner, I found the 5x24 finder scope incredibly helpful. It made locating celestial objects so much easier. Just the other night, I took it out to view the moon, and wow, the details were breathtaking. The adjustable aluminum alloy tripod allowed me to position it perfectly for comfort, and the included carry bag made transporting it a breeze. Pros: the Glyskyer telescope is super beginner-friendly, which is a huge plus if you're just starting out. The wireless remote and phone adapter allowed me to snap some stellar photos of the moon, something I didn't expect from a budget telescope. Plus, its lightweight design makes it perfect for travel. Cons: on the downside, I found that the quality of the eyepieces could be improved. They felt a bit flimsy. Also, the 70mm aperture limits what you can see a bit compared to larger telescopes. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly telescope that can capture stunning images of the moon and some planets, the Glyskyer telescope is a solid choice. It's perfect for kids and adults alike, making it a wonderful gift for anyone interested in astronomy.
Product number 2. Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ. The Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ was a game-changer for me. Right out of the box, the promise of smartphone integration piqued my interest. This telescope is designed for beginners, and I was particularly impressed with the StarSense app. After docking my phone and following the on-screen instructions, I felt like I had a personal guide to the night sky. The app's patented technology recognized the star patterns overhead, which made locating planets a breeze. I was able to view Jupiter and its moons clearly, something I had only dreamed of before. Pros: the app-generated list of the best targets for the night was phenomenal. It made my stargazing sessions so much more enjoyable, allowing me to focus on viewing rather than searching. The 114mm reflector provided some of the most vivid and sharp views I've ever experienced. However, the manual alta-zenith mount took a bit of getting used to, and I found it slightly challenging to track moving objects. Additionally, its size makes it less portable compared to other models. Why buy it? If you want an easy-to-use telescope that leverages modern technology to enhance your viewing experience, the Celestron StarSense Explorer LT114AZ is hard to beat. It's ideal for anyone eager to dive into astronomy without feeling overwhelmed. Product number 3. The Toyer-B 70mm Aperture Refractor. The Toyer-B telescope surprised me with its value for money. I was initially drawn to its affordable price point, but once I set it up, I realized it was more than just a budget option. The 70mm aperture and 300mm focal length provided clear images even in less than ideal viewing conditions. The included accessories, especially the wireless remote and phone adapter, made it easy to capture moments. I took it out to a nearby park, and the first time I focused on Saturn, I was in awe. Pros: this telescope is incredibly easy to assemble, which is fantastic for beginners. I loved that even kids could set it up with minimal guidance. The 15 to 150x magnification range offered a good variety for viewing different celestial bodies. Cons: the downside is that the construction felt a bit plasticky, which might raise concerns about durability over time, and the Barlow lens wasn't as effective as I had hoped. Why buy it? For families and beginners looking for an accessible entry into astronomy, the Toyer-B telescope is a great option. It's easy to use, portable, and provides decent views without breaking the bank. Product number 4. Misa 90mm aperture refractor. When I tried out the Misa 90mm aperture telescope, I was impressed by the quality of the optics. The larger 90mm aperture and 800mm focal length made it significantly better for observing faint objects. I remember one night setting it up with friends, and together we marveled at the details of craters on the moon. The adjustable stainless steel tripod allowed us to find the perfect height for everyone, making it a communal experience. Pros: the image clarity was exceptional due to the fully multi-coated lenses. The range of magnification from 32x to 240x allowed us to see a variety of objects, from the moon to distant planets. Plus, the carry bag was a thoughtful addition for those who enjoy taking their telescope on trips. Cons: however, the assembly took a bit longer than I expected, and the instructions could have been clearer. Also, the weight made it less portable than I would have liked. Why buy it? If you're serious about astronomy and want a telescope that delivers quality images while still being beginner-friendly, the Misa 90mm aperture telescope is a fantastic choice. It combines power with portability for the budding astronomer.
Product number 5. Dian-Fan 90mm aperture telescope. The Dian-Fan 90mm aperture telescope really caught my eye when I started using it. Its sleek design and solid build gave me confidence right away. With the 800mm focal length, I was able to observe the night sky like never before. The first night I took it out, I was amazed by the clarity of the images, particularly when viewing the rings of Saturn. The user-friendly setup made it a hit among my friends, who were all eager to give it a go. Pros: the powerful magnification range of 32x to 240x was impressive, allowing us to see deep into the cosmos. The design is lightweight yet sturdy, making it perfect for stargazing trips. Plus, the included phone adapter made capturing images a piece of cake. Cons: one drawback I found was the time it takes to adjust the focus. It required a bit of patience. Also, while it's portable, it's not as compact as some other models. Why buy it? If you are looking for a telescope that delivers a professional experience without the professional price tag, the Dian-Fan 90mm aperture telescope is an excellent investment. It's perfect for both novice astronomers and those who want to deepen their exploration of the universe. After testing these 5 telescopes, I can confidently say that each one offers unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade, there's something here that can enhance your celestial adventures. Remember, investing in a quality telescope is not just about viewing planets, it's about igniting a passion for astronomy. Happy stargazing!